Alright guys, so before we start, please like and share and leave a comment in the comment section. You get my point. So you will have to first of all mount your camera on a tripod using either landscape or portrait, but I decided to use landscape so that I'll be able to get the two characters. You get my point. So record an empty scene for some seconds, preferably 5 seconds. Then you can now walk in just like what you see here on screen. Now you stand at one end of the screen. You get my point. Just stand right there and stand for a while. You get my point. Then you can now move towards the other end of the screen. You get my point. So when you are done with that, you can get back to your position. At this point, you will just stay there a while, then you move again and drag as if you are dragging something to your body. You get my point. When you are done with that, guys, you are good to go. You can now walk away and save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. So guys, we are on Capcut and we are about to edit the video right now. Okay, so now we're recording an empty scene. So we'll have to first of all split that empty scene. That's before the character walks in. So to achieve that, you have to tap on the video layer, click on split. Now go and look for overlay. So click on overlay. Place one finger on your screen on this particular layer, drag it to the beginning of the video. You get my point. Please follow it step by step, because if you miss any step, you will need to start all over again. You get my point. So now tap on the empty scene. Go and look for freeze. Click on freeze. Tap at the end of the frozen layer, drag it, make sure it gets to the end of the video, just like what you see me do on screen right now. So you can come back right here. So at this point you are going to set how the video is going to start. So I want the video to start somewhere here where the character is about to lift his leg. So maybe somewhere here. You get my point. So I'll tap on the video layer, I'll click on split, then I'll delete the beginning of the video. Now tap and hold this other layer right here, drag it to align at the beginning. So you get my point. So at this point, before the character moves from the car, just like this, what you need to do is to tap on the video layer. Now tap on split. Please follow it step by step. You can watch this video 2 or 3 times before you start editing. You get my point. So let's move on. Now after the character has gotten to this point, understand, before the character falls back, tap on the video layer, tap on split. Now this other side where the character comes back to the car, you get my point. So from here you can tap on split. You get my point. Still on the video layer. Now delete this other side, delete this one here. You get my point. So you will have to tap on hold this one, drag it to align. Please follow it step by step like I said. You get my point. So that is just it. So now what you will need to do right here is this particular layer where the character moves. Now this one is the layer we are going to use as the soul, or you can see the ghost. So what you need to do is to tap and hold it, bring it down. You get my point. You can bring it down to this particular point towards the beginning of the video, but not completely the beginning of the video. Then you will have to tap and hold this other layer right here, drag it, make sure it aligns with this one here. You get my point? So now this is what is going to happen. You will tap on this layer right here, this other layer that is going to be moving, you like a ghost. You get my point? So you will tap on it. You go to remove BG, click on remove BG, click on auto remover. You get my point? So that is just it. Please allow you to remove 100%. So you click on OK. Now when you click on OK, this is what's going to happen. If you play the video, see what's happening right there. Guys, we are not done. So you need to watch this video to the end so that you will be able to create this same magic effect. So at this point, you will need to move this particular layer to that point where this character is about to drag back. Understand? So you will have to adjust this one here, maybe somewhere here. You get my point? Then you're gonna move this one towards here. So let's play the video to see what we are getting. But as you can see, at this point, this character has disappeared. The third layer character has disappeared. You get my point? So for you to have it back is for you to tap on this particular, tap on the third layer, tap on split. So when you click on split, automatically it's going to reveal the character. So if you play the video, look at something. You get my point? So at this point where the character is still stretching his hand, you will have to tap on this other layer right here. Now go and look for freeze. Go and look for freeze. Click on freeze. So when you click on freeze, see what's gonna happen. Then he drags the character towards to himself. Then you can adjust it from this point where the character. Guys, are you even following? Are you getting me? Please let me know in the comment section you understand what I'm teaching you. You get my point? So this is what's gonna happen. Once the character is right there, you have to, as you can see, the hand is coming forward. Understand? The hand is supposed to be either behind the character. You get my point? So what we are going to do is we will have to adjust this one a little. Adjust it a little. So now you add keyframe at the beginning of this splitted layer. Now as the character is moving, you now drag as the hand of this other character is moving, you now drag this character towards the other body. From here you can make it small a little, something like this. Need to position it very well. Then you can now adjust this. You get my point? So you will have something like this. So when you are done with all the settings, let's play the video so you will see how it goes. So look at it here. You get my point? So for you to be able to make this character turn to a ghost like this, you get my point? Like each of these layers here, like this one, you touch it. Let's use the last one here. you come to the last one. On the first keyframe, you tap on it. Now tap on splice. Now when you tap on splice, you go to dodge, the last one. You get my point? And you click on dodge. Make sure this is on 100%. You get my point? And then you click on OK. So you are going to have the ghost character right there. You get my point? So if you play, you are going to see it's going to be applied on all of them, because I have already touched on these other ones here. You get my point? So that is how to create this particular magic effect. So at this point, you can now tap on split and delete the ending part of the layers. You get my point? So let's delete the ending part of the layers. So that's just it, guys. I believe you get my point. So when you are done with everything, you can now export your video to your gallery. So let's see our video exporting to our gallery. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do go to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing updates like this. You get my point? So see you in our next video.